I asked Yvonne what's the answer to your second question and she told
Alam
me.
niya?
Yep.
Ano? Sinabihan mo?
Ano siya? Ivan daw.
Ivan.
Yeah.
Anong Ivan?
I don't know.
Answer mo?
No, yours.
Answer ko?
Mm.
Ivan?
Mm.
Anong Ivan? Huwag kang make ng stories. Kasabot mo. Hindi man siya nag-ask, sinong gusto mo? Sabi niya, gusto mo ba si... Cause
You didn't say goodnight to me last night. I'm mad at you.
Sinabi ko. Sinabi ko.
When?
Good night, Fred.
When?
Daong kanino. See?
Wala eh.
See?
Wala.
Oy, pag good night na ka na, chuchu, nila. James. Night, Fred. Ikaw dito nagdaong ka. So busy. I don't know anong ginagawa mo doon. Kaya hindi mo na narinig. Nag-good night ako sa lahat.
Brad, can I borrow your shade?
Shane.
Shade, the one that... like this.
So I'm so sorry I gave away all my stuff.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Oh.
Meron? May shade ka? Sila Papa Bear lang meron mo.
Nandun.
Saan?
Nasa bag. Pwede mo ito na ako gamiton.
Ha?
Okay na?
Sige, okay na.
No, I'm asking if it's okay. No, good.
Borrow shade!
Meron ako sa bag,
Can I
Devon.
borrow?
Sige. Nandun sa bag.
Thank you. Anong shade din? Yung ganun.
Black one. It's like mine, but black.
Jane, may borrow your shade?
No, Fritzy, I missed you last night. No, really?
Ani, good night, day ka.
Oh,
Good night ka?
yeah, I went there.
Oh? Anong sinabi mo?
Night, Fritzy. I miss you. Oh my God.
Oh, talaga?
Yeah.
Sige.
You said you heard it. I told you this morning there.
Really?
Yeah.
Ba't hindi ko narinig?
Okay na? This one?
Sige, okay na.
Is it okay? I'm asking.
Cause my time is...
Whoa! Ah! I like it.
Oo naman.
You're getting so good at it.
Ay, hindi pa. May ni ano?
That's good though. You're getting really good at it. The first time, oh my God, I'm so sorry. This time.
Mas nice man if hindi masyadong straight yan, straight na straight.
No, I know.
Before,
but-
wala man kayo na straight.
No, what do you call that? Before.
Like what?
What's that? It's not like this before. Not. What do you call that? What's that? It's better.
No, hindi. Sa hair mo yan. Sa hair. Baka before, ano yung hair mo. Huwag kong i-blame. Cause my time is... Kanina yan. Face the content. Yan. Treasure. Tadan. Ang dami.
Yeah, you haven't done this in like a few days. Really? Not good, Fritzy. Not good.
Not good? Oh, sige, ikaw na lang. Because, kanta.
But anyway, I was telling you. Last night I missed you, Fritzy. Man.
Kanta.
And all of a sudden, I went there and I told you, ow.
Sige, kung gano'n, ano. Ba't di mo pumapasok kay hat ng manidaan?
And I went there and I told you. And you said, good night. But then you said you didn't know who it was. So.
Dili man ako in reply. Sino kaya yun? Natulog na ako.
The person who replied is nice girl. Ikaw, me.
Dito ako. Kasi gahagok na ako.
Oh, okay.
Sino kaya yun?
Then, since you didn't hear it, I won't do it again.
Ah!
What? You said you didn't hear, so like how? Why would I do it again if you don't never hear it? Okay, it's okay. Iba.
Oh, sige.
You didn't hear it, man.
Yeah, kinsa ka to.
Maybe it's Anne.
Oo, maybe si Anne yung good night Anne.
I said good night, Fritz.
Okay, lagi. Tiga. Dali, ano pikon. Now I know.
Ay, nako.
Now I know.
Kunin mo.
Now I know. Kung
Ano?
secret. Now I know.
What?
What? May sinabi ba ako? Now I know.
Oh my God.
Cause
Why, man? Why? Why do you even try? Ow. Ouch.
Anong aw?
Hurt my ear.
Dito siguro. Try natin. Now I know. Now I know. Ah. So you should let me, 'cause
I'm gonna make a song. It's gonna be called "Why Is Fritzy Mean to Me?" Here's how it goes. Fritzy, you're mean to me. The end.
Anong sinabi mo? Ano?
Ah,
ganon!
Ano?
Ganon.
Hi, Fritzy.
Hi, Ann!
Hi, Anne.
Hi, Ann! Wala
Hi,
lang.
Anne. You look nice today. Very pretty.
Yeah, pretty ayaw ka karon, Ann. Diba, Brett? Oh.
Hi, Jenny. Looking good. No, but this is what you wore first time. Backpackers. But your hair is up. See that?
Oh, kaya pala. Kiss my tongue. Ano ka?
No.
Meron pa. Today.